Hey everyone! Natural disasters are some of Earth's most terrifying events. Unpredictable and unstoppable, they reveal nature's raw and awe-inspiring power. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and prepare for an exciting adventure of discovery. Let's dive in. The city turned into a sea. The floodwaters rose like an unexpected wave, transforming the bustling city into a chaotic ocean, where cars became ships and people drifted like shipwrecked survivors, searching for shelter. If giant marbles existed, this is exactly how they'd roll, unstoppable and straight down the mountain. Nature's got some serious moves in Benguet, Philippines. Like a wave of white cascading from the peak, this avalanche from Colorado's Ajax Mountain showcases nature's unpredictable power and breathtaking beauty. Snow surfing anyone.
That is
the ultimate ice boom drop, this 200-foot glacier at Tracy Arm Fjord, Alaska, collapsed in a jaw-dropping spectacle, sending chunks flying in a wave so big it rocked the boat. Whoa, looks like the clouds decided to hang 10. That storm rolling in could remodel more than just their weekend plans. Even the stop signs in Perry, Florida, have surrendered to Hurricane Idalia's fury, with winds that howl like a rock concert in a wind tunnel. This boy went to the store with an umbrella, thinking it'd keep him dry, but he wasn't ready for what came next. Lightning struck just a meter away, leaving him terrified. Now he knows umbrellas and lightning don't mix. This monster hailstorm wasn't playing around, smashing through windows and leaving her car looking like it's been through a boxing match. Those hailstones might as well have been ice grenades. Waves in St. Malo put on a dramatic show, crashing over promenades and drenching everything in sight. It's as if the ocean decided to come ashore for a spontaneous dance party with the city. Floods in Lago de Guadalupe, Cuautitlan Izcalli, turned streets into roaring rivers, sweeping away everything in sight. It's like the rain thought, why not bring a little adventure to the neighborhood? A wild storm decided to play roof frisbee with a high-rise. No wonder top floor apartments come cheap. This isn't just a flood. It's the ocean making a grand entrance into town, turning streets into its own natural pool. Madagascar got an unexpected coastal renovation, ocean style.
Look at this fucking dust storm thing. Holy shit.
Oh my. This dust storm looks like nature's version of a spin the wheel game. Just missing the sound, ding ding, congratulations. You've won a ton of dust.
Not out here.
Oh wow, look at that. This ship must have just gotten fully charged directly from the sky. Lava bursts from the earth like a fountain of molten gold, transforming the landscape into a glowing masterpiece. He said slowly and calm, "It seems the floodwaters in Rambla de Espinardo decided to take a detour and wash away the road." Plans were definitely disrupted as this street turned into an unexpected river adventure.